So you want to make an EBM bassline, but all of your friends are music snobs. What do? Let me show you. First, you got to look the part, because as much as Goth and industrial and EBM music is non-conformist music, you have to conform and able to have friends. So you got to look the part. So first, we got to put some black eyeliner on.
Ow! Oh, that hurts. Oh, it's so hard to get it close. How do people do this? Oh, I've got so much respect for women.
Don't forget the pentagram. You got to have a lot of pentagrams. So now that your makeup's done, you got to put on some cool clothes. Preferably something black or army. Don't forget shiny things. And if you're feeling a bit more synth pop, just add a scarf. Beautiful. Today I'm gonna make a badass, mean, in-your-face EBM bassline. It's gonna be as hard as your nipple in winter. So let me find the right kick. It's got a nice click to it. Okay. Add some distortion to that kick. Okay, so I'm going to create a grain synth and I'm going to find that kick. Try to see what key it's in. Okay, let's find this kick. 3001. So it says it's A in the key A. I think I'm just going to get another kick to get a nice click going with that. That's quite nice. Speaking about 10ish, minus 10ish. Okay, so now that I got my kick and my click for my kick, let's get a little bit of reverb to the highs of the kick. Okay, so let's get dangerous. Okay, just gonna reset this and build it from scratch. Okay. I've got a keyboard over here that I'm fiddling with. That's, if you hear that, that's the keys. Add some distortion. Set with the kick. Some EQ in here. Okay, so it was the key of A, was it? We're just gonna program something here. So let's say 4 bars to start with. Le piano rolla. No. Going for that old school stabby style. Okay, but it's still not EBM-ish. So, just selecting everything, control, dragging. To a tone up. Okay, I'm just gonna delete all the ones that are on top of each other. So I moved it to the third step. You need to make that envelope a bit snappier. Make it a bit tighter. It's not as tight as it could be or should be. Okay, let's play with that bass line a bit. So I'm gonna take these top ones. Again, I'm push control and drag it. And then I'm put it up by, what's that, 2 octaves. And I'm just gonna delete every second one. So go like this. So now it's alternating between these two. Where was I? Okay. Say that. For all you haters out there, if you tell me that's not EBM, you can go fuck yourself. Right. But some of you are probably complaining that it's still not EBM-ish, so I'm gonna make it even harder. I'm gonna make it even harder, mofo. And take this and duplicate it to this other synth. Sure. I'm gonna reset it. Multi-oscillator. Add some distortion. Share it with everything. Okay, let's get some sidechain compressing going, I think, with the kick and the bass. I also want to EQ this bass a bit better. Okay, where's that kick? So let's see if some sidechaining will help. So let's rock some sidechaining. Right click effects, compressor. I'm gonna do it with this kick click. Duplicate it, tab, disconnect, right click. I'll find that compressor I just made. Oopsie. Let's find the compressor, put it on the sidechain left and right. Okay. Let's play that. Let's get this pumping. just going to compress that bass a little bit. As you can see, I'm very subtle with the compressors over here. It's not right in the bass. Simple snare. Some 808. If you enjoyed that, please like and if you enjoyed that, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.
Origination overload.